Here's a little deal of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted. The white that you can see there's a reflection of the lights. Just run through them quickly. This needs to be cut through there. Little light coloured crystal stone on the end there. Then this is a concave. Needs to be cut, polished out. This piece has basically got two eyes of colour, one here, one here. Couple of small stones. This is concave. Cut it into a long skinny stone perhaps. This has been cut with a Dremel. A small stone down the bottom here. This piece is a bit thin, maybe cut it through there. There's a natural sort of fissure. Cut that down into one stone, and then another little long stone there perhaps. They're just suggestions. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.